On 18th July 2022, members of the All Nehu Workers Union had once again resumed their agitation outside the chamber of the Vice-Chancellor of the Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, to protest against the apathy of the university towards demands of the casual workers. These demands include the regularisation of workers under the Northeastern Hill University, the payment of equal pay for equal work, maternity leave for female workers, and the availability of health services to all casual workers of the university. The president of the union, Napoleon Yaupnyao, while speaking to reporters on Monday, said that the workers have once again threatened to go on an indefinite strike as the university authorities have withheld their salary for the month of June 2022 following the protest by the workers from the 1st to the 5th of June 2022.
Makanya ki kari strik dok santri kujon kerja ki, ye. Teman tak tek setelah poros sebenarnya kan. Tapi dah beringi cek strik dok santri kujon ro, ibun ki bana pedeng nontre. Dalam maknaro ki be ke duti kujon ki. Pendap kamram ki. Dan kam jadi department ki student ki noi kai ki be. Pendap haju ke por ki wan chong sene. Ye. Dah pada tolong wan trek sansungi boleh bolong pot poros sebenarnya kan.
Okay. One of the casual workers of Nehu had also voiced her grievances of the casual workers by saying that they have been sidelined in various ways by university authorities. She informed that the workers are being deprived of salary whenever leave is availed by them and that health facilities available at the University Health Center are not extended to the casual workers. She added that female casual staff members have also been deprived of maternity leave and were never given adequate time to recover from childbirth before once again resuming their duties.
Tapi try ki napang sitam ro kinan ki mensan try ko ini dan mentang ada sebuah department tolong pesong hati ofisala lagi hat ki ba semua bet banyak kira ndaki babon taki saat ben ada pia kon ro komat ki habu bu bujuli di wai pak kamat kutulap kita di bapem kamat kimia ki hab ai tu nawa kimia tu tak suci dia kon nak tiru tapi pang komat tu kalau kata kada wai kimia nang ni ki pak sim ben asata hi bakile na kaya sa tedan ki bayo ata kada wai dan ki pamia hidup ni ngak kan balai ba ki wai ki yo ki wai kimia